Hi, my name is Maria and I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to tell you what the probability is, or what the odds are, of rolling a number greater than 4 on a 6-sided number cube. So if you have a 6-sided number cube, that means that there are 6 possible outcomes, and our possible outcomes always go in our denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and write 6 in my denominator. And the favorable outcomes go in the numerator. So we're doing favorable outcomes over possible outcomes. So 6 is my possibility, and favorable means the ones that I want to occur. So if I want a number greater than 4, I'm looking at either 5 or 6. That means I have 2 possible outcomes. So that makes my probability 2 out of 6, which can be reduced, and I can go ahead and rewrite that as 1 over 3. So the odds of me rolling a 6-sided number cube and landing on a number that is greater than 4 is 2 out of 6, or reduced 1 in 3.